Today, here at home with Anita Rosner, I'm excited to announce the launch of a new playlist called Quick Bites. Quick Bites will be videos that contain techniques that every home cook should know so you can elevate your at-home cooking game. And for our very first Quick Bite, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect bowl of whipped cream. In the bowl, I have 1 cup of ice cold cream, heavy cream. Then I've got my whisk attachment. I'm going to whip it on high till it starts to get a little bit thick. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar and just a little splash of vanilla. That's it. But don't overbeat it because you'll end up with butter instead of whipped cream. Scrape down the sides. Get all that sugar and vanilla in there. And then take it for another quick spin. And there you have perfect whipped cream.